What is good, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're at the beach down at the mount. You're saying beautiful mount right there, God's creation. And we're about to get Cindy on the little cliff over there, and then probably hit the big one on the backside of Leisure Island in a bit. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Let's get into it. Send it!
At this moment, Thomas knew his life was played. Little did I know he would be laughing at me in a few seconds.
3, 2, 1. Oh! 1. Oh! 3, 2, 1. I hope you guys enjoyed my flop and Thomas's flop, which was even worse, and the fat gainers. About to go back to the base and get dinner because we're all hungry. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And for now, remember, love God, love people, and enjoy this beautiful creation, and always love your YWAM family.
Yay!
Peace!